Hello, my name is Ahmed Mohammed Rashad. I'm from Sharqiya, Egypt, and this is final project of CS50P, Introduction to Programming with Python, Employees Data Management System. Now I will start to run the program in terminal Python project.py. There are 5 options: add employee, delete, update, retrieve, and exit program. I will retrieve all data, select option number 4, it will display the employee data here, and I will start to add new employee, name, Farah, email, farah@gmail.com, address, KSA, salary, 8,000. Retrieve employees again, I can see Farah has been added. Name, email, and address. I will try to add one more employee. Name, David, salary, email, david@gmail.com, address, USA, salary, for example, 9,000, added. I will retrieve all the data again. I can see here David has been added, name, email, address, and salary. I will try to update now. Option number 2. I will update the second one. Muhammad@gmail.com. Please enter the new name. Muhammad Rashad. New email. Muhammad@gmail.com. New address. Egypt. Salary 8,000. Updated. Now I retrieved the data. I can see here the row has been updated, Muhammad Rashad, and email Muhammad Rashad, address also Egypt, and salary 8,000. I will try to delete employee. I will delete Ahmed@gmail.com. Deleted. I will retrieve all the data again. Ahmed has been deleted. I will exit from the program now. Select option number 5. Exit message here and CS50 project. Now I will run the pytest for the test project. All the function test passed.